Hello my dear students. Before starting the class, let me ask you a few questions. First question, how many members are there in your family? The answer may be very easy. Maybe it is 5, 6, 7, etc. Second question, how many people are living in your neighborhood? Again, the answer may be very easy. It may be 10, 30, 50, 60, 100, etc. Third question, how many people are living in the city of Bangalore? As Bangalore is a very large city, this number may gives you an answer for that question. As you can see, this is a very big or large number. Many of you may feel difficulty in reading this number, right? For reading this large or big number, we have two systems of numeration or two place value systems. One is Indian place value system and international place value system. So in 5th standard, the first chapter is about reading and writing the large numbers, that is 8 or 9 digit numbers using the two place value system. In this video, you will learn about Indian place value system.
First, let's learn from the basics. What is a digit? A digit is any number from 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. For example, if we take a number 5, as you can see there is only one digit 5 here. So this is a one digit number. Again, taking another example, 12. Here 1 and 2 combines to form the number 12. Therefore, this 12 is a two digit number. Again, taking another example, 134. Here 1, 3 and 4, that is 3 digits combines to form this number. So this is a 3 digit number. As in 134 there are 3 digits, there are 3 places for this number, that is 4 in ones place, 3 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now let's see how to form small and large numbers using digits. 0 to 9 gives you one digit numbers. Therefore, 0 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the largest one digit number. When we add 1 to 9, we will get 10, which is a two digit number. Therefore, 10 is the smallest two digit number. Now, which will be the largest two digit number? 2 nines, that is 99 gives you the largest two digit number. Again, adding 1 to 99 gives you 100, which is a three digit number, that is 1 and 2 zeros together forms 100. So 100 is the smallest three digit number. So which will be the largest three digit number? Yes, 3 nines together forms the largest three digit number, that is 999. Adding 1 to that, we will get 1000, that is 1 and 3 zeros. This is a 4 digit number. So this 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. So which will be the largest 4 digit number? 4 nines together is the largest 4 digit number, that is 9999. Like this, we can form large numbers using 9 and small numbers using 1 and 0. Now let's see which is the largest 7 digit number. As I have told now, we can form the largest 7 digit number using 7 nines together. As you can see, this is a very large number. Now let's see how we can read and write the large numbers using place value system. First, let's see Indian place value system. The most commonly used places in Indian place value system are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Also, these places are grouped under periods, that is ones, tens and 100 is grouped under the period ones. 1000, 10,000 is grouped under the period 1000. Lakhs, 10 lakhs is grouped under lakhs. Crores, 10 crores is grouped under crores. So this ones, thousands, lakhs and crores are known as periods. Whereas ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores are known as places. Again, the values of each places is given below in the table, as you can see, that is 1 belongs to ones, 10 for tens, hundreds, 1000 one with 30, 10,000 one with 40, lakhs one with 50, 10 lakh one with 60, crores one with 70, 10 crores one with 8 zeros. So these are known as place values. Now let's see how we can write a large number, how we can represent a large number on this place value chart. For this I am taking a random number. For example, I am taking 3, 4, 9, 8, 2, 7, 5, 6. As you can see, there are 8 digits in this number. So this is an 8-digit number. Now let's see how we can represent this on the place value chart. You have to always remember that while representing on place value chart, you have to start from the ones place, that is from your extreme right hand side. So here ones is 6, 5 in 10, 7 in hundreds, 2 in 1000, 8 in 10,000, 9 in lakhs, 4 in 10 lakhs and 3 in crores. So this is how you represent a number on the place value chart. Now let's see how you can write a number using commas. Actually, commas are usually used to separate the periods when you write a number. Also remember that when you write in commas, you have to start from the extreme right, that is from the ones period. So first separating ones, tens and hundreds, that is ones period, put a comma. So then separating thousands and 10,000s from, that is 10,000 periods, put a comma. Then separating the lakhs period, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs places, put a comma. So this is how you write in comma, that is 3, 4, 9, 8, 2, 7, 5, 6. Now let's see how we can write this number using number name. So in number name, we usually write the numbers along with the period names. First let's write the places of each digits in this number, that is 6 in ones place, 5 in tens, 7 in hundreds, 2 in 1000, 8 in 10,000, 9 in lakh, 4 in 10 lakh and 3 in crores. While writing the number name, also you have to note one thing is that two numbers belonging to the same group or same period is read as together. That is, for example, here 4 and 9 belongs to the same period, that is lakhs, so it is read as 49 lakhs. You have to read it together with along with the period name, that is 49 lakhs. Here 8 and 2 belongs to the thousands period, therefore it is read as 82,000. So this can be this number can be read as 3 crores, and then 49 belongs to lakhs, 82 belongs to 1000 and 756, that is 756 belongs to the same period 1, so it is read as 756. It belongs to the ones period. So this is read as 3 crore 49 lakhs 82,756. Also, you have to note one more thing is that while writing the number name, you don't have to mention the ones period. That is, you don't have to write ones when you write in a number name. So this is how you can write the given number in commas and in words. So in words it is 3 crores 49 lakhs 82,756. Now let's see how to write a number using a number name. So I have taken a number name here, that is 74 lakh 21,352. How to write in numbers? Let's start from 74 lakh. So how many lakhs we have? Here we have 74 lakhs. So writing that in numbers, we have 74 lakhs. Then we have 21,000. Writing in numbers, we have 21,000. Then we have 352. So writing in numbers, we have 352. Now let's write these numbers on the place value chart given below. Let's start from the ones period, that is 352. First let's write 352 on the chart. So 2 in ones place, 2 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. Next we have 21,000. We have 21,000s here, that is 20,000 plus 1,000 gives 21,000s. So here in thousands place 1 belongs to thousands place and 2 belongs to 10,000s place. Then we have 74 lakhs. We have 74 lakhs, that is 4 belongs to the lakhs place and 7 belongs to the 10 lakhs place. So this is how you write the numbers from the number name. Now let's separate these numbers using comma. First let's start from the ones period onwards. First separating ones periods, that is ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma. Then separating thousands and 10,000s, that is thousands periods, put a comma, and then we have the lakhs period. So this number can be written as 74 lakh 21,352. Example of writing numbers from number name, I have taken here 2 crores 7 lakhs 2,452. Now let's start from 2 crores onwards. Let's write this in numbers. So we have 2 crores here and we have 7 lakhs. Then we have 2,000. So we have 2,000s and 452. So as you can see here in thousands and lakhs period, there is no 10,000 place and there is no 10 lakhs place there. So what you have to do is that if there is any vacant places in numbers, you have to just fill it with 0. So in 10,000 place, I am going to put 0, and in 10 lakhs place, I am going to put 0. If there is any vacant places in a number name, you have to fill it with zeros, putting zeros in that. So here in 10 lakhs and 10,000 place, I have filled it with 0. Now let's write this number on the place value chart. First let's start from the ones period. So 2 in ones place, 5 in tens, 4 in hundreds. Again in thousands period, we have 2 in thousands place. We have seen 10,000 place was vacant, so I filled it with 0. Now 7 in lakhs place and in 10 lakhs place we will write 0. Then we have 2 crores, that is crores place we have 2. Write this number using comma starting from the ones period. First separate the ones period, put a comma. Then separating the thousands period, put a comma. Then separating lakhs, put a comma. So this can be written as 2 crores 7 lakhs 2,452. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.